What's the best way to do a system test of the plumbing for each of these buildings in our complex? Well, there's really three ways to figure out what's going on. One is a pressure test. Do I have ample pressure at the supply side of things? It's a pressure gauge hooked up to an exterior hose bib. You can figure out how to hook it to an interior one if you need to. You'll see if you have acceptable code pressure. You would have less pressure if your pipes were swelling shut and filling with junk. Scoping of the drains. Yesterday I was at a project and it was just, you know what, it sounds like your downspouts are getting blocked by stuff. We can do the camera down the drain pipe and just see sometimes these underground lines get crushed, they get broken, they get roots in them, etc. And we'll see if that's why it's not, if your drains are slow or things aren't working quite right. And then if they're clogged, we can then do a roto-rooter system and clean them out a little bit, but you want to start planning for that. But the biggest thing is resident survey. How do you know that unit 201 doesn't have cold water in their master bathroom? I mean, it's time to start doing a survey. And if you see issues that are starting to ring true, then it's start doing something about it. So Brooke will put simple survey in the chat. You can see what we asked there.